Hey gang, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for a brand new video. So for today's video, I thought I'd bring you guys on a little 2-day vlog. I went and got content for one of the days and I went on a meeting the other one of the days. Sorry, I'm filming this intro a few days after because I literally completely forgot to film the intro. So I really hope you all do enjoy this video. If you do, then please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and yeah, let's just get into the video. Good morning everyone. So I actually went out last night. It is currently 8:30 and I'm getting the train to go and meet my manager Soph at 10:15. Actually, don't even know how I'm functioning right now. We're just gonna go grab like a quick coffee and speak about the year, which I'm so excited about. Also, as you all know, I have been going to the gym and I did do a legs, bums and tums class yesterday. I actually think I feel okay. Last time I done a legs, bums and tums class, I couldn't walk for 3 days, but from what I can feel this morning, I'm okay. But I'm gonna get up, get ready, and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. I've also done the biggest fail of all fails and I hate it. This actually gives me the ick. I hate it when I do this. What is the point? Just letting you all know that the girl that fake tans 24/7 still manages to F it up every time. So I am now ready. I'm just waiting for my Bolt to come pick me up. Pray for me that I make the train. I've got this tracksuit on from Boohoo Man. Now I haven't actually ever bought a tracksuit from Boohoo Man before. I've heard people talk about them and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go on there the other day and I found two like sick tracksuits. So it is the Purple Vibes. It's got all this like detail on the leg and then it's on the sleeve as well. And then it's on the back of the jumper. I just think it's really cool. It's got details on this sleeve as well, like the pink and green vibes, and then it's kind of got like a split hem bottom. Got it in an extra small in case any of you guys are wondering, and it's a really good like oversized fit, as you can tell. I love it. And then I just got my Zara platform high tops on. It actually sounds so windy outside, like it's not okay because I just can't deal with the wind. Oh my god, I didn't put any setting spray on. My lips on the train. Oh my god, look how cute my new phone case is. It's from the phone case company. It's literally the cutest. I'm on the train, guys. I made it. No, I didn't make it in time to get a coffee, even though we are going to Starbucks, of course, anyway. I really want another coffee, but it's fine. I hope my lips look okay. I fully just filmed this on my TikTok camera, like in less than a minute. Sorry, who is she? I'm back from my little outing for the day and it was so nice to catch up with Soph. I was going to vlog, but I was like, you know what, we're having a nice catch up. We're talking about the plans for this year. I'm going to leave that for another time and do like a proper like meet the manager video or something. Having like a meeting like that and speaking about things that you want to achieve in the year and things you want to do is like such an exciting thing. So I feel like you speak about it and it's like, okay, this could actually happen this year. Honestly, my excitement levels are high. I'm probably gonna say this in the intro, but obviously this is a little 2-day vlog. Came home to a few little exciting deliveries. I bought some like quite random bits and I thought, you know what, let's do a haul. This thing is really cool. They may not be everyone's cup of tea, but if you watch my vlog when I went to Manchester with Grace and she let me borrow her ski glasses, I ordered the ski glasses that she got. I actually get like 5 different lens attachments and they fully come in like a case and everything. These are so sick. But she couldn't order them. I thought they'd look sick when I'm getting content tomorrow with like tracksuits and stuff. So this is kind of like the iridescent vibe lens. Sorry, I feel like these are so love-hate. Some of you are gonna be like, ew, what the frig, but I kind of think they're really cool. I'm wearing like a tracksuit outfit like this because it's got so much on the back. I can't really like layer it up with a jacket and stuff, so I thought like to have a cool little accessory like this would be really sick. Take it out. Also comes with like glasses cleaner and stuff. It's actually such a good little set. It was literally £15. So you get all these different attachments. So this is like the standard ski vibe. Those would also look really cool with this. You get the black pair, which I already showed you guys when I was in Manchester with Grace. You also get this like yellowy kind of pair. Wow. And then you also get the blue pair. Oh my god, the blue could be a moment with this. Should I put the blues on? Wow, I'm sorry. I know it's really extra, but I just think they look really cool. Sorry, but I kind of just think that's it. Okay, so this was my first little purchase. These were £15 from Amazon. Next, I treat myself to a few more little jewellery pieces. As you guys know, I got these earrings the other day from Inspired Edition. Cutest jewellery pieces on there. And you know when you order and then you wish you ordered more? Because the delivery's like £5 to £10, depending on what option you get. And because I had these, I was like, I really wanted some other pieces on there, so I treat myself to some other pieces. So I've got these like little Fendi dupe earrings and they actually have like Fendi engraved on them. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I got the Balenciaga necklace because I just thought it was so cute. Very like, I just thought this was very me. I mean, it's not going to replace my little Jacquemus because I absolutely love my Jacquemus. I'm kind of thinking a little layering moment might be cool. I mean, very extra. I feel like jewelry style and like makes your outfit, and I really want to mix up and not wear like the same stuff like constantly all the time. These are the little pieces that I picked up from Inspired Edition. I have to say the jewelry is really good quality. Like you definitely get what you pay for. I love my little big bees, but I wanted like some kind of like smaller, cuter hoops. And finally, I put on my story maybe like over a week ago now that I've been icing my face. I try and do it like at least twice a day. Honestly, I feel like I've seen an improvement in my skin since I've started doing it, and it's just so like cool, like it's so relaxing on your skin to like ice it. Eventually out and I bought an icer. You just fill this up and then pop it in, and then you put it in the freezer, and it's really, really good for icing your face because I've been doing it with ice cubes and it literally just all drips down my arm. My fingers get cold. So yes, again from Amazon. I think I only paid like $6.99 for this. Concludes my little shopping spree haul that I've treated myself with. I'm gonna film a little Boohoo styling haul, which should be up by the time you guys are watching this. So if you haven't already seen it, then make sure to go and check it out. So that's what I'm gonna do for my evening. I think I'm gonna go make some dinner first and then film. Good morning, everyone. And so today's actually content day. I'm just getting ready. Shock, I've got my hair like this again. I really need to start switching it up. I've not really taken much content though with my hair like this, so we're gonna allow it for one more day. I'm all ready to go. I decided to go for like a little like no lash moment today. I've got this new jacket on from Pretty Little Thing. It's so cute. A croc print kind of leather vibe. First bit just gonna be in at Starbucks, which kind of like sit down vibes. So I thought this would look really cute sitting down. Obviously I'm going to Starbucks for a picture. I literally go there every single time I get content. I cannot get my camera out of my bag, but this is the current vibes. We love it. I can't wait to be able to do content full time, so I can just go out and do like an outfit or 2 outfits a day instead of doing 4.
Hey guys.
Look who I'm with.
Hello.
We are just got to Starbucks and we're gonna go get some pics. We're gonna do one inside, one outside. Let's hope it's not busy.
Yeah, the weather's not looking the best.
The weather's really clouded over. You jinxed that when you messaged me this
Yeah, I
morning. She's like,
did.
the weather's lovely today,
It was
heart
lovely.
eyes, and now it's clouded over.
flames.
It was the heart eyes, and now it's cloudy. So
It's looking shit, yeah.
yeah, we're gonna go get a picture inside. I don't know what drink to get. The drink situation really stresses me out because you know when you go to a coffee shop and you get in and you're like, what do I have?
Yeah, those berry drinks don't look the best over there.
No, the Costa Berry one looked nice, but that berry one didn't look nice.
Won't be getting that.
So let's pray there's a seat.
Yeah,
Because when me and Shane came last time, we literally sat down for half an hour and waited for people to move.
we can do that. We can do that. Got to get
Gotta
the
do what
pic.
we've got to do. It's the first little photo spot. Wow.
Do the
You
pic.
like them? Oh, the pics are so good. You're posting one of these.
We're gonna have to really.
Are you gonna make me go out there and get a stand-up one, or are you gonna commit?
I just feel like the flares need to be shown a bit more, you know. That's all right.
No, they're. Oh my god, they are sick. That is being. I don't want to be that. That is being posted. I'm gonna post them for you if you don't post them. That's all I'm saying. I got a caramel latte.
Got a chai.
I'm not a fan of chai. She got chai. I tried it. It's a no from me. The chai's the chai.
Oh yeah. Chai is my fave. Chai is my go-to.
Jeans.
Jeans.
I'm gonna go around the side. You know the black bit. Jeans and a gilet. You know the outfit I put in my story yesterday?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just come to the second option.
Wow.
These are the sickest photos ever. We just sat
Pink
here.
outfit.
No, they are so cool.
Look at the guy. Oh, where's the guy gone?
So this was my second outfit, the gilet from Boohoo, which went up in my little Boohoo styling hauls. So make sure to go check that out if you want the links for this outfit as well. And now we're gonna go get changed again before we go into the city to get a photo.
Gosh, 2 down.
2 down, 2 to go.
go.
Let's go. If I had £1 for the amount of looks I got in this, let's walk in. We just got some pics on the tram line. They were actually so cool.
They were.
They were
I'm
really cool.
surprised. I
Yeah.
wasn't like here right now. The lighting looks shit.
Yeah, it doesn't actually
it
the
looked
light
good.
doesn't actually look that good, but it was really good. But honestly, like I say, I think you guys can tell like the glasses are a bit of a moment, but
Love
you know when
it.
it's got to the point it's like realistically I should take them off, and then she's like, no, you got to keep them on.
Gotta keep them on. They're on now.